Maybe you're wondering what this masking tape is for. We are just going to start tearing off pieces and placing them on the bottom of our watercolor paper here in all different sizes. So don't worry if they look a little bit ripped on the top, we definitely want that for effect. Now it's time to add some colour, so I want you to pick some colours that remind you of nighttime. So I'm going to wet a nice big round brush here with probably some black to start with. So making sure my brush is nice and wet, and we are just going to start dabbing around all these masking tape pieces and fill up this entire space. Let's wait for this to dry and then we're ready to take the tape off. Nice and dry, it's time to add some more details. Before we take this tape off, we're going to add some stars on the top of our night sky. So by doing that, we're going to use our large brush, we're going to put lots of water and pick a nice white color on your palette. Mixing that, and we're going to just tap on top of the brush. Wow, doesn't that look cool? We have to add one more thing to make this city complete. So grab a texture or a fine liner like I have here, and let's add the last few details. There we go, lots of windows, lots of doors, we even added a clock. How many doors and windows did you add to your picture?